make sure you don't pick it up. The communications department has instilled a new rule called the no phone zone in the Blodgett Hall communications department. We're going to go inside and figure out what's up.
We have these students, you may have heard of them, who actually take out cell phones in the middle of class. They are addicted to their cell phones. So we are actually doing them a service by trying to make them go cold turkey, at least in our classrooms. So it won't be a distraction to them and a distraction to others in class. Not to mention these poor faculty members who must actually compete with the cell phone in class. So hence, the no cell phone zone.
Various students have mixed feelings on this new implemented rule. We're going to go inside and hear a few of them.
I agree with the no phone zone because it helps students focus more in class and it stops distractions.
I think abandoning cell phones is not a good idea in the sense like if you have an emergency. A lot of people need to contact family members in case of emergency. Whereas when it comes to if you're in class or in an important meeting or something important, I don't think you should be, it's disrespectful to have your phone out or technology in that case, but abandoning it completely, I think that's not a good idea.
I think the phone policy for Blodgett is actually really dumb, considering the fact that if I need to take a phone call, I should be able to step outside and do that without knowing that there is some kind of policy or anything. And I see everyone always on their phone in the hallway, so I don't really understand why there's even a policy to begin with if it's not to be enforced.
Faculty unanimously voted for the no phone zone rule, and they're excited to stand by it.
When I first announced it, it seemed to have worked. But I'm finding that I need to constantly remind the students that they cannot use the phones in class because I catch them, under their desks and stuff using it. But what it does is it sort of scatters your mind, then you can't focus on one thing. So I think it's best if the phones are kept out of the classroom.
So remember, make sure to keep your phones and your bags on silent while you're in the communications department. Signing out, this is Amber Grell.